video, I will show you how to change color palette in PowerPoint. So to do this, as you can see, here is the PowerPoint homepage. So to change the color palette, let me just type something right here so you can see the color. So right now, let's click on this color, font color. As you can see, here is the color palette, which is this one right here. So this one also, we have this one right here also. So to change this color palette right here, the next thing for you to do is to click on design. So you come down here, which is this one right here. Then you click on color, as you can see right here. Then you select any color palette of your choice. As you can see, you have the blue, green, yellow, green. So just select any one of your choice. So I'll be using this one right here. So when done, let's go back to the home. Then click here. As you can see, the color palette has been changed, but this one is still the same as it is. So as you can see, it has been changed. So right now, to change it back to the normal one, you can also change to any color palette of your choice. Just go to this same place, design. Then you come down here. Then you select color. Click on color and select any color palette of your choice. Let me click on the orange. So let's go back to the home. Then click here. As you can see, it has changed. So if you want to change it back to the normal one, what you have to do is also to go back to this design right here. Then you click on this arrow right here, color. Then you click on office. So let's go back to the home. Then let's check it right here. As you can see, here is the normal color palette. So that's how to do this. Hope this video helped. Please give it a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video.